In Act 1, Scene 1 of William Shakespeare's Macbeth, the play opens in a sinister and foreboding landscape marked by thunderstorms that immediately sets the tone for the drama to unfold. This desolate location, devoid of any landmarks or buildings, introduces the audience to three mystical figures, known as the Three Witches or the Weird Sisters. The term weird draws from the Old English word wyrd, meaning fate, positioning these characters as agents of destiny, reminiscent of the Fates from classical mythology who control the lifelines of mortals. The scene is brief yet heavy with significance, laying the thematic and atmospheric groundwork for the entire play. The witches speak in cryptic, rhyming verse, which mirrors the casting of spells, enhancing their mystical aura. Their dialogue is imbued with the imagery of witchcraft and tumultuous weather, thunder, lightning, rain, fog, and filthy air, all elements that contribute to the scene's chaotic and menacing air. These weather conditions not only accentuate the physical setting, but also symbolize the moral confusion and the tumult that will engulf Scotland throughout the phrases "when the battle's lost and won," and "fair is foul and foul is fair," are particularly noteworthy. These lines encapsulate one of the central paradoxes of the play, the blurred lines between reality and illusion, and the difficulty of discerning truth from deception. Such contradictions are emblematic of the witch's enigmatic nature. They foreshadow the moral ambiguity and the themes of treachery and deceit that will become prevalent throughout the narrative. Additionally, the mention of graymalkin and paddock, respectively a gray cat and a toad, underscores the presence of witchcraft. These creatures are identified as the witches' familiars, spiritual entities believed to assist witches in their magical undertakings. Their inclusion in the scene further deepens the atmosphere of supernaturalism and foreboding that is essential to the play's setting and tone. Through this opening scene, Shakespeare effectively establishes a world filled with supernatural elements, moral ambiguity, and the ominous indication that fate and destiny will play crucial roles in the unfolding drama. The stage is set for a tale of ambition, power, and downfall, marked by the witch's chilling prophecy and the dark forces that will shape the destiny of Macbeth and Scotland. That's all for today. Please let me know if you liked this video by smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let me know in the comments what books you would like to see a video on next. Signing off for now, this has been another Bookly Crash Course video.